What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? I got my headphones on so I can hear y'all. Hope y'all can hear me. How was y'all day? My day has been crazy day. I'm finna do this mukbang video. What's going on, everybody? How y'all day doing? We're good girl back with another video. I'm doing a chipotle mukbang video. And got my Pepsi. And look. My chipotle bowl. They look good, don't it? I got a chicken and brown rice bowl from Chipotle. I hope y'all enjoyed that prank video I did. That was my first time doing it. Look, you got everything. I love Chipotle. I've been craving for Chipotle. I ain't gonna eat all this. I ain't got no appetite. I had a little bit. I'm stressed out. I ain't even give me no napkins or nothing. Damn. I got babysit tonight. My nephews and nieces. My middle sister kid. So I went to the doctor. I had to take blood draw on work today. This is good. I ain't had Chipotle in a while. I usually get the chips, but I ain't have enough for all that. I got onions in here. A mild tomatoes. They hot today a little bit. A little bit spicy. I usually get the steak bowl, but I didn't want no steak. This pat's good. I said I was gonna come back with more videos. What y'all like at Chipotle? I usually get the chicken. Sometimes I get a wrap bowl. How y'all day so far? It's almost 1 o'clock. Donovan at work. My mother-in-law made some baked chicken, rice, mixed vegetables last night. That shit was good. See, look, y'all want a bite? So my landlord ain't doing what she supposed to do as a landlord. So now I gotta move. Look. I love extra sour cream on my stuff. I like anything ranch and cheese. So my doctor said I gotta get the gastric bypass surgery done or the sleeve. I lost 3 pounds today, and I'm gonna gain it all back. What else y'all want to see me do? This is good, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna eat all of it. Look. But doctor appointment went good today. I go to my other appointment on the 24th. I got a little cold going. My ear hurt. I think I'll get another ear infection. This is really my lunch. I took all my medicine this morning. I love chipotle. So, babies, I gotta watch them tonight. I may do a video with them tonight. Now I'm gonna try to come eat my bowl. I'm getting no love for her. What's your favorite soda? Mine is Pepsi. Pepsi. I think I might do I think somebody do a soda drink. I need some more subscribers, y'all. Well, your girl getting full. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, how you doing? Thanks for joining the gang. And we gotta come up with a name for y'all. I don't know yet. I just call y'all the gang, the squad, or how about gang squad? Thanks for joining the gang squad. Comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and we want to continue to see the mukbang and more. Hit that bell and then notification, and your girl's out. Peace. Bye.